Okay, so I have the lights all set up and I'm going to make all the lights go off. Then I'm going to transition to only the new lights that I got and then see what that's looking like. Then I'll do like a combination with this lights and the other one. So let's get it. This is all the lights and there is no light turned on. Like all my lights are off, the curtains are closed, there is no light coming in. This is just the lights I got. Yo, this is good. I'm not gonna lie, this is really good. I'm impressed and it's good because I can shoot and make content any time of the day, raining season, sunshine, everything, and there's no blocker. So he achieved the goal. So I think it's a really good stuff. So now let me try it on the lights and see what that's looking like. Let's see if that's better and goes like this. Okay, so I don't know, is there a difference? I think this is better. Lights coming from all directions and the quality of the video seems a bit slicker. And then okay, so I'm going to try and change colors, do some accents, maybe do like a red. Okay, so I actually don't know if there is a difference, but there's a red accent light on my right, yeah, and it's supposed to be flashing red. Okay, maybe if I try to put off this top lights, let's see if that. Okay, so I have a red light coming from here, and I really can't tell the difference, honestly. So maybe I do a blue light coming from here. Okay, so I have the blue light to my left, I have a red light to my right, and then I have the normal key light, the normal white light coming here. So there's a bit of accent in the background. It's really not noticeable. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't think it's that bright to make a difference. So I think the last color to check is the yellow. So I'm going to change this main white lights to yellow and see what the contrast is with red here, blue here, and yellow here. That's the final test. Okay, so I have all the lights on. It's a yellow light right in front of me. I have a blue light to my left and I have a red light to my right, and this is all the colors with all the lights. I have no light on, all my windows are closed, and I'm not gonna lie, this is good. I think this is good enough for the content I'm going to be creating. I'm going to do or use it in different angles, probably when I'm doing a sitting up position and the camera is closer, the colors I can bounce some off the wall, try different mixes, and let's see how that goes. So I'll be playing around with it in the upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see those videos. You can tell me what you think about my different combinations going forward. So what do you think? Is this better? Is this making a difference? You can look at my other videos, see if the quality is different. So last thing to decide is if this is just the lights. If I put on my natural lights, like that's the lights in my house, to see if it enhances the video quality. Okay, so this is all the lights on. In a standing up shot, I don't think this is best because those two bulbs are showing and I can't get the camera angle in a way that they wouldn't show. So I'll most likely be using it with those lights off and probably with natural lights as well, just to enhance the quality of the video. But so far so good. I like all the results, I'm not gonna lie. With the lights on over, I like everything, and I'm going to be experimenting with this in the coming days. So what are my reviews? I'm going to drop the link to this product down. I bought it on Jumia. It got here in one day. I ordered it yesterday, it got here today, and I was surprised and I'm quite impressed with the quality. There was no manual. I almost spoiled the light. I almost tore the you can change the colors of the filter, so I almost bought one filter because I was trying to merge two together, and yeah. So I think aside that, the product is good. The light is pretty bright. I like the quality. It's a thumbs up for me. If you can get it, if you want to get better lighting for your content, yeah, it's definitely something you can look into. It comes with 3 tripod or 3 stands. You can attach them to a tripod. You can use them on their own. Right now I have the lights in 3 different locations. One is on a tripod, one is on a shelf, the other one is in a weird position that I'm not going to disclose. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video. That's all for today. This is the lighting. You know, every time I have an upgrade to my studio, I'm gonna show you right here on the channel to see if I can get better quality videos for you. And you know, it's how we do. It's NeroCode. Stay tuned. Like, share, comment, subscribe, notifications on. Let's get it. It's 2023. We're doing it. Peace. Have a great day. Huh, 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 huh.